Okay, so let's go through the steps. Again, if you're just joining us, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. This little course is really uh, designed to help you sell card landing pages to realtors, but the niche doesn't really matter. So if realtors aren't your target market or your ideal audience, just swap in whatever it is that you're interested in selling, or the niche, market, vertical, industry, or local community. It matters not. Realtors is just a placeholder for this example. All right, so number one, you want to sign up for CARRD. You're going to want to be on one of their pro packages simply because it's A, really affordable, and B, you need to be able to incorporate forms like email marketing opt-in forms, etc., things like that that require a a pro package, and it's ridiculously affordable. So why not? B, you're going to want to install premium themes. I mean, there's a bunch of these, and this changes over time. But I really like a Split or something like Me from One Page Love. I'm not even sure they still have those on their site, but you can. I've posted links in other videos to some great card theme shops in the last, again, I'm recording this at the end of September 2025, that you can actually sign up for that are even better than these now. And I recommend checking those out. Number three, go to Yelp or any other directory and make a list of people who have either no website or a really shitty website. Again, this was recorded for realtors, but it doesn't have to be realtors. It could be doctors, it could be therapists, it could be, life coaches, it could be accountants, it could be chiropractors. It matters not. And then the next thing you really need to do is have an effective outreach. What I like to do is two things when you're emailing people. You want to be very complimentary and very specific, right? So the key is to say something very nice, like if you were emailing me saying, "Hi, Ian, my name is Joe, and I just stumbled across your Gumroad store, and that these like products, that I downloaded or that I looked at really were impressive." Or if you're emailing someone in a local community, it's even easier. "Hi, Ian, my name is Joe. I had your pizza is my favorite in town," or "love your florist designs," or whatever it is. "My nephew goes to your chiropractic practice and loves, feels entirely better," whatever it is, right? And you also want, if you're going to do this for, you want to be short too. Not, you don't want to be short as a person, although that's fine as well. You want to be short with your email. Don't write a whole bunch of stuff, that just goes on and on and on. Keep it very short, very complimentary, and very specific. One of the best things I could do for specificity is actually, like, if you're using Yelp as a directory, to help find your ideal audience or your quintessential client, you can very, very easily use specificity with respect to the reviews. "Hey, Ian, just stumbled across your Yelp reviews for Ian's Pizza. Man, it's amazing. You have 99 five-star reviews here in our town. And, it's no surprise to me. Love your pizza. It's delicious." And then you could go into like pitching them a, very simple landing page that has all my reviews, let's say, collected on my page using something like testimonials.to or Senja or one of those sorts of uh, you know, testimonial aggregators that allows you to, or allows you to curate or collect your best reviews or your clients' reviews by dint of a simple piece of code. It's very easy. Oh, here you go. "Hey, my name is Ian. I also live here in this town. Love and follow your Twitter updates and share your concern about green space in our town. I noticed you didn't have a dedicated website for your own listings, etc." Right? Again, this ostensibly would be for a realtor or somebody like that. All right. You can charge $99 for a one-page card site that looks great and literally took you 10 minutes to build. You can also charge $3.99 for a site that takes payments, has working forms, like I just mentioned, email autoresponders, embeds, etc. You can link, to their Gumroad store. You can link to Stripe, to PayPal, etc. It's all very, very simple. Or you can merely just give it away, right? using CARRD sites as a lead generation offer, a free site that takes you 20 minutes to build, but that actually creates a lot of goodwill and appreciation, especially if you have a big back end offer to make, which I'm going to cover in some of the other slides in this particular presentation. All right, back end offer would be like something like we just discussed, like testimonial curation or email marketing support. Like you could actually, build in their email marketing opt-in forms, etc., and then support them as they write their first autoresponder sequence, or their monthly email with Beehive, or their weekly email on Substack or CARRD, or Button Down or Mailchimp or Kit or something like that. Right? It's very, very easy, and you can use the CARRD site as the the lead, the loss leader, or the lead generation device by which you sell a back-end service. We're going to cover that deeper into the course. So if you're interested, leave a comment below. Actually, if you're watching this on YouTube, I will post a link to that at some point in the next day or so. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. If you have questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.